enough rain, and we want warm weather and sunny weather, right? That's going to happen one of these days. By the way, on your story, great follow-up, right? You can't beat that. And you know, I was thinking about some of my favorite Rockwell stuff, and one of the paintings that he does, and you're going to have to Google it, look it up, it's what they call the triple self-portrait. It's Norman Rockwell painting himself. It's classic. You got to look it up. All right, here's the view up in Mohawk Chevrolet in Malta tonight. Skies have cleared out, a bit more in the way of sunshine. In fact, this is the sunniest part of the day and a light breeze. Temperatures today getting up into the mid-70s, 73 in Albany right now. Glens Falls 71, Lake Pleasant at 65, 70 in Manchester to 73 in Great Barrington, Hudson to Kingston, temperatures in the mid-70s. Weather Watchers reporting in tonight. Kathy Buxton up in Long Lake. She says there's actually a chill in the air tonight. Feels cool. 62, 64 Indian Lake. Low 70s, Queensbury, Jim Delahanty in Hebron at 73 degrees. Out to the west, Caroga Lake, Richard Nielsen, 66. Same thing in Dwaynesburg. 71 Galway, Greenfield Center, low 70s. Mid-70s around Waterford. Delmar, 69 in Grafton, 70 in Bennington, 71 in Adams. Pittsfield at 67 tonight. Out to the west, cool in Summit, 65, mid-60s from Sandy, Shellhorn, and Windham, and Germantown and Hillsdale both in the low 70s tonight. Not perfect today, but not bad compared to the weather we got coming in. And again, this means widespread showers, some thunder tomorrow. There's this tremendous spin in the atmosphere. Spin is energy. That's going to rotate right over us tomorrow afternoon. Then a break Thursday. Again, tremendous spin here. This is going to rotate right behind it. That comes in here on Friday. So tonight, skies will clear out for a while. Then here's that storm tracking right at us tomorrow. Showers, thunderstorms, sun could be heavier, maybe small hail and downpours. And then we'll be in between systems on Thursday. Clouds, a few breaks of sun, mostly dry, before the next system swings right over us on Friday. Keep in mind, Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk, actually a marginal risk, of strong storms south and east of Albany for hail and some gusty winds. So we'll watch that for you tomorrow. Rainfall potential, this is good news. By, looks like Thursday morning, most areas have the potential of picking up a ½ to an inch of rain. 75 tomorrow in Albany, most places 70 to 75, dropping into the 60s once the rain hits. And Thursday will bounce back a little bit, a high of 77. Tonight, patchy fog, a low near 56. Tomorrow, afternoon showers, some thunderstorms. Midday, early afternoon, I think, for Albany. Tomorrow's Flag Day, by the way. Mostly cloudy, chance of a shower Thursday, 77. Showers, some thunder on Friday, 72. A few more showers Saturday, 76. A better day for Father's Day, partly sunny. Slight chance, mid-70s. Mostly cloudy Monday. Another threat for showers on Tuesday, 76. Trishna?
All right.